going to show you how to set up the Amazon Halo View step by step. Okay, so first thing out of the box, you get the tracker itself. You get a charging adapter here, and it is connected by a USB-A, as you can see here. You get a let's get started pamphlet. So the first thing is we're going to go ahead and plug this onto the charger. So go ahead and grab your charging adapter here, and you see the three metal contacts right here, and you can see the contacts here on your charger. So what we want to do is put this like this right on here. Okay, when you put it in there, you can kind of see it's on the side. Okay, so it's in there. So let's go ahead and plug this side in now. Okay, so I just plugged it in here. Let's make sure it's in there. Now once you plug it in, just leave it as is, because it's going to take about a minute or two to finally turn on. Okay, at least what it did for me. Now once you have this plugged in, go ahead and go to your phone. Doesn't matter if it's an Android, iPhone. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store, and you want to do a search for Halo View. This is what the icon here looks like. It says Amazon Halo right there. So I'm going to download and install this. Once you download and install it, go ahead and open up. Again, it's right down here. It says Amazon Halo. Let's open that up. Which Amazon Halo would like to use Bluetooth. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. So make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. And I'll show you the watch here. It says C app for setup. If it's black here, just press on the home button down here, and this should pop on. Okay. So anyway, from here, from the app, we're going to tap on set up your band right there. Sign into your Amazon account. If you need to create a new one, you can tap down here. So I entered my email address and my password to my Amazon account. I'm going to go ahead and tap on sign in. And then from here, you can go ahead and add your name. Mine's already up here, so let me just tap on that right there. Put in your birthday. Once you do that, tap on next. The next one, go ahead and put in your height. After that, go ahead and tap on next. Put in your weight. After that, tap on next. What's your sex? I'm a male. Tap on next. Let's protect your data. Help us ensure that you only have access to your health data. Enter a mobile number or email address. So this will ensure that only you have access to your health data. Okay, so you can go ahead and put in a phone number, email, and click on submit, or you can verify later. Okay, for me, I'm just going to do mine later. Verify later. What device we're setting up? We are doing the Halo View up here. So tap on the first one up there. Now it says go ahead and connect your tracker or your band via the charging, which we already have it on here, right? So from here, what we're going to do is just go ahead and click on next here. Pairing your view. So this pops up here, this Halo 20 SR, so that must be it. So let me go ahead and tap on that right there. Device paired. And because you bought this Halo, you get a 12-month membership here for free. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on continue. Here's some basic info. You can go ahead and read through this. Updating your view. And you can see it's updating on the watch here. Got a little progress bar there, 11% so far. And it says this may take up to 10 minutes, so be patient. Almost there. It says 100% now. All right, finally. So it says finish setup in app. All right. Allow notifications, that's up to you. For me, I'll do maybe later. Maybe I'll turn it on later. Wearing Halo View on your left hand or your right wrist. I'm going to go with my left here. I'm going to tap on continue. Finishing setup. Just heard the band watch vibrate there. Let me tap on next. So it's all your set here. You can go ahead and watch through this if you wish, or you can just go ahead and just tap on done right there. So we're all set up here, and here's the app here. You can go ahead and play around with this. You got feed down here. You got data. You can see activity, sleep, movement, tone, body. You have up here, you have discover, live, and you have your settings here. Okay. So here's my Halo view right here. Just FYI, this is my Fitbit Charge 5. So let me go ahead and turn that around. You can kind of see the difference here. So with the Halo View, I mean, the way to navigate, first of all, you have a home button here. So if your screen is off, you can tap the home button like that. You can also tap the home button to go back as well. And this is the only button on there. You know, everything else to cycle through it, you can go ahead and swipe down. You can see settings, tools, exercise, and so on, or you can go up as well. Okay. Also, you can do left or right. You can swipe to the right here, right? You can see everything there. Swipe it to the left, and there you go. All right, pretty simple. Good luck, guys.